We have been working with Boccard for 10 years in our factory in Vichy. Boccard is a 100-year-old company, and our factory is 50 years old. We found each other 10 years ago, and we've been working on several projects, with the most recent project of skid number 1.
We invested in a new lotion manufacturing skid to replace the old one, which was due to be converted into a cream production skid. I drew up technical specifications with the DGO teams in accordance to our needs. We handed those technical specifications over to Boccard. Together, we established the PIMD and used virtual reality to fit a large skid in a fairly small place. We checked that it could fit without any problem.
During this study phase, we had a lot of discussions with our client in Vichy, whether it was to discuss requests, expectations, or points to improve. For this project, we developed a series of technological innovations, especially concerning the ergonomic aspect of the skid. We developed an automatic lock specifically for this platform. This is the first time this kind of development has been produced.
The previous skid was equipped with a lifting table, so we also equipped this skid with one.
For the development of the automatic locking of the manholes on the manufacturing tanks, we focused our solutions on the maintenance aspects. For example, a particular access for the maintenance of the manifold.
The Track Advanced tool allows for digital monitoring with a tablet.
In the process, all the people who will use the platform are involved, from the production teams to the maintenance teams. It is quite tedious and time-consuming, but worthwhile in order to obtain a good satisfaction from the customers and users.
Trust is honoured through time and deeds. Those deeds, as well as achievements, are there. Of course, as in all relationships and contracts, there are times when we sit around the table and discuss frankly. This confidence and frankness in our exchanges are helping us move forward, managing difficult steps in order to achieve a success like this one.